Well, welcome to another video of Red Beer Scotch Walk. This time we're replacing starter while we're underneath the tarp. Because it's rainy, Jeep won't start in my driveway, so there's no way to drive to Jeepy garage and use his garage to get fixed. It won't work. So I went to his garage to borrow a whole bunch of tools. Alright. Yeah, so right now I'm at halfway point, so I'm not sure the whole video will work on it. So I'll show you old one and new one right after this. So look like we're full time to work on the Jeep in the rain. Good thing I had a tarp. Kept round stake anchor, and then the other side, it's on the Jeep. Alright, I'll show you the old one. There's the old one, it won't start. It's busted right there. Pretty filthy, greasy, dirt, oil, mud, the whole 9 yards. The reason the connector I had to replace because the tap right there is broke. I had to replace the connector to starter because the original connector won't work on new starters. We had to get one of those loop thing, and the old one. Oh. So the old one we had to cut it because it's a little tab on the hole. Alright, let's get a new starter. Start put together. Alright, add a few notes. Just so you know, just in my case, 2 bolt, top and bottom. So top bolt is 15 millimeter, and the bottom one is 16. I found both at 15, and I was wrong. And you may want to start work on the bottom. 16. Start with is a rear one bolt, tight space to work on it. And the reason you want that one first, because if you had a heat shield on your starter, start the bottom, work on almost all the way out, and then your heat shield should be popped right off. And in my case, I destroyed my heat shield. Pretty grossy. Do I need it? I hope not. And I'll show you. It's not how I room our room. Especially big, scratch squat, body type guy. It'd be a challenge. Alright. Here's a 1 bolt. And it's hard to see at the top bolt. I use a Super 1 extension. Start way back here across frame. Get through all the way to the bolt. Yeah, good times. Alright, let me get back to work, get started, put it back on, hopefully start. This one is 16 meters bolt, very tight space, and it's 1 bolt. And it is rainy. got starter in the place. Now I had to reconnect the wire, and then hopefully start. We'll find out in 3 minutes. Everything in the place. Remove some turd. Open the hood. Move my wife's car closer, and then get it jumped and see it happen. Battery is low. But I try to start before I disconnect. Anyway, finger crossed. Get started again. Success. Start again. That's my white car, little Soul. I think this is the 8th time getting Jupiter job.